Hi everyone! Today I want to talk about a product that I think you will find useful. A collapsible portable washer machine. Imagine having a washer that you can easily take with you on camping trips. Well, this is exactly what a collapsible portable washer machine is all about. This machine is not only lightweight and compact, but it also has a capacity of 11 liters, making it perfect for washing small loads of clothes, towels, or even bedding. Plus, it has a compact design that makes it easy to store in any small space. What I like most about this product is that it is easy to use. All you need to do is fill it with water, add your laundry, and turn it on. The machine will then spin and wash your clothes. Another great thing about this washer is that it is very quiet, so you won't have to worry about disturbing your neighbors while it's in use, making it easy to use by even novice users. If you're someone who loves being outdoors and enjoying nature, then a collapsible portable washer machine is definitely something you should consider. It's perfect for those quick laundry needs that come up while you're camping or hiking, or even when you're living in a small apartment. So, if you're looking for a lightweight, compact, and convenient washer that you can take with you on the go, then a collapsible portable washer machine is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching.